If the object begins at 100, positive 100 meters at 60 seconds, where is the final position at 80 seconds? So this is still a displacement question on a velocity versus time graph, but they give us an initial position and they want us to know what the final position is. So our goal here is to find the displacement between 60 and 80, which again is between the time axis and the function will give the area will give us what the displacement is. So if we break this into a rectangle and a triangle, we can find the displacement. So for the rectangle, we have a height of -4 meters per second times 80 seconds minus 60 seconds. That will end up giving us a value of -80 meters during that time interval. Plus, we have, again, a height of this triangle is -4 meters per second. And during the same time interval, 80 seconds minus 60 seconds, should be seconds there, this will give us a displacement of -40 for a net displacement of -120 would be my total change in displacement. So if we look at this from a number line, whoops, that's the worst line ever. If we look at this from a number line perspective, and I apologize for the slant here, if we begin at positive 100 and head -120, we will go past the origin and wind up at -20. So enjoy this nonlinear number line, and if you have any questions, please shoot me an email.